What's up, you guys? So, listen, I know it's scary, but I saw my girlfriend channel. The name is Jacqueline Wash, and she did talk about Hurricane Iris. Yeah, but if you guys be safe, Florida too, or Northport, because Northport is my dad's house, and that's out of two. But Northport and Florida are my favorite place. But we'll see about anything is going on. I will make some more videos about hurricane stuff. Okay. All right. It is coming close. I will make video. Okay, guys. You have a great day. You have, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Leave comments below. Okay? Alright, please subscribe Jacqueline Wash channel, and you have a great day. Alright.